voy por favor, dame la movie.
Makes it easy. We can utilize our name too. You guys are utilizing. I think we got a man.
Hey, how's it going, man?
Night, man. Say that in a moment. Yeah, no, like. Alright, yeah, we're good, man. Appreciate it. How you doing? Sure. Completely different. Just so happen to be right next to each other. Yeah, we were really just right down the block when they got put out, so.
Yeah, I opened the corner, so I'm like, when I was going out. Did you guys see the phone? Appreciate you for your service.
Hey, did anybody return a phone that was lost over here by chance?
What kind of phone?
iPhone SE.
What do you have?
Is that black case?
iPhone SE black case. Check the bar. You got the EF6? You hadn't even been in yet. Oh man, what a night. Yeah, just do find my iPhone or find my phone or friends or whatever you have. And hopefully it's still around. If it doesn't, then turn it to us and we haven't found anything. So.
It has for the name.
Yeah, man's getting out of here. Late because I went to the protest in Imperial Beach.
What is it?
It's supposed to be. They said 30, 40 people. I got down there with 5 or 6.
Oh.
They thought they were ICE agents inside a hotel there.
Oh my goodness.
So they were trying to make a lot of noise out front. Police said it was Marine trainees. Not ICE at all. So. It took me a while to drive down there and all the way back up here. How long have you been here?
Just like after 12. I thought you weren't going to come. I thought you already had been here before I got here.
Did you see anything happen before this?
So somebody got arrested and another person got hit over the head. He got an ambulance and they were looking for a suspect with a white guy built with a cowboy hat. You know, I don't know if they found him or not. And then I think after that, then this happened. While they were trying to look for the white suspect, but they couldn't find him.
Yeah.
And
You think you head back over to 5th?
yeah.
How was your trip?
Oh, it was nice to the Bay Area. You know, I try to book another trip to like Europe, but that's already too late now because of flight tickets and timing. Trying to go to France. But unfortunately, that didn't happen. But I still got the time off, but I just have to alternate my trip. Maybe I thought about a road trip up to Seattle, road trip. Go up there if I can. Or like,
What do you want to see in France?
oh, we were gonna see a friend. I was gonna go with a friend, but I couldn't go with him. It was difficulty of booking the same, so I wanted to go with them on the same flight. Didn't go by myself, so we were going to visit another friend over there in France, but that didn't happen, so that means I had to fly by myself, 2 different flights, you know. So I think you go from San Diego to Atlanta, and then Atlanta to France, and then it'd be the same thing flying back, France to New York, and New York to San Diego, coming back.
Do you know people in France?
No, I don't. Well, except one person who I met from another friend, but I don't really know him, but I don't really know anybody in France.
Yeah.
So we just come over there to visit. It'd be a worthwhile trip because I've never been over there before.
Yeah.
So it's like, wow. I had a few friends that flew out of the country,
So you,
just for adventure,
I
you know.
Gotta watch the pickpockets.
Yeah, I know. Man. So I sort of figured going to Seattle wouldn't hurt, you know.
Yeah.
Nice little fat road trip. Maybe if I can get that, we just gotta plan it out, see how my money's looking.
Yeah.
Could come back up to the Bay Area too, and then come back down. But yeah, it was a long drive just from coming up from San Diego to the Bay Area. It was 7 hours driving.
Yeah.
What a tired road trip.